So today I'm going to show you 3 really easy freezer hacks. And the first one is how to whip cream super fast. Now usually by hand it takes absolutely forever and your arm gets tired, but this is a frozen bowl, okay? I just put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes and to it I'm going to add my whipping cream, pour that all in, and then just a little bit of icing sugar to sweeten that up. And I'm going to whip this on a medium-high speed until it comes to a soft peak, and it will be so quick. Watch me whip in my freezer bowl. Okay, so in no time at all, we've got these glorious soft peaks for our whipped cream. You save yourself all the effort. Freezer hack number 1, done. So freezer hack number 2. Everybody loves a bit of grated cheese, but sometimes when you're grating it, it can fall apart, it can split in half, and it's a nightmare. Put this in the freezer for 10 minutes, nice and cold, it's like a little ice block, and then just grate away and it is so much easier. You can see the little flecks of cheese coming off. Nothing's breaking, it's not melting in your hand or getting all greasy. It's absolutely perfect. So when you pull that away, and look at this, a perfect pile of grated cheese. Nice and cold, freezer hack number 2, done. So the third and final hack, it's a bacon hack because everybody loves bacon. So what I've done is put this bacon in the freezer for about 10 minutes before I need it, and it just makes it so much cleaner to cut. You know, when you're cutting bacon, it kind of falls apart and the fat comes away from the meat. Problem solved with my freezer hack. So just take a knife and you'll watch as I slice this up, so clean, so smooth. So you can see, this just slides off the knife. Each piece of bacon is just perfectly clean cut. None of that fat has fallen away from the meat. And there you have it. Third and final hack, done.